Alright, y'all. Time has finally come. Got the M4 exhaust. It's about time. And I bought a little bracket off Amazon. We'll see if it fits. If it fits nice, I'll post it. If not, I gotta get the old foot peg on there because I took the old ones off. But let's see, shall we? Bought basically the only one that M4 has on their website for my bike. I bought a DB killer, probably for when I get headers on here. Installing this, inserted is highly recommended that you use a high temp threaded locker. Okay, good to know. All right, thread locker for this. Probably won't put it in just yet because I don't have headers. I got a nice carbon fiber mount point, pretty cool. And we got the slip-on, baby, parts. Slip-on is custom made, M4. I think they're in Texas. And yeah, let me bust this out of the packaging and then show you guys all the goodies. All right, got it all out of the box. Get the mid pipe, get the slip-on hardware, get the nice carbon fiber holder. This did not come with it, this is separate, but it is real carbon fiber silencer sleeve. So just put that on there. You guys can pause it if you want to read it up, but basically it's up to me as the owner to manage and take care of my my sleeve, the resin on the sleeve. And yeah, hopefully the bike doesn't burn it up, basically, because it's real carbon fiber, which is fucking dope. So yeah, I feel like putting on one of these is self-explanatory. This goes on to where your old muffler was on. This piece goes on here. You get, what do they call the springs? Here and here, here and here, boom, boom. This piece, I'm assuming there's a mounting point for this under my bike. I can check. But yeah, and then this goes where your foot bracket was, and this connects to your foot bracket, and this goes over your exhaust to hold it up. So probably won't show me actually fully installing it. You can basically watch any video on YouTube for that, but I will be showing you guys how it sounds here in just a second. All right, got it all installed. Get the exhaust actual tip on there, the mid pipe. It's literally just two springs connecting the end exhaust here to your mid pipe, and your mid pipe's clamped on to your cat or your bread box. And then this bracket that I got, yeah, works pretty good. I got a little bit of play here with this fastener, but I mean, she's not going anywhere. It's locked in. And yeah, this bracket looks nice. It keeps that clean look I was trying to get. And yeah, so far so good. Let's take it out and see how it sounds. Here is just the cat, basically. Alright, I already know. Here is the full M4 or M4 slip-on. Sounds good. What's up, you guys? Finally got the M4 on the bike. It sounds awesome. I took it out a little bit last night just to hear how it sounds, and it just sounds so much cleaner than just running it off the bread box or the cat, whatever that little end piece is. Basically the straight pipe with the cat on it. But pretty soon that's going to be getting replaced. I'm at 463 miles. My break-in's almost done on the bike, and yeah, so far so good, man. No issues. I got my bar end mirrors on. Bike's running really, really good. As soon as I get the cat on here. As soon as I get the cat up on here, I'm gonna be sending it in for a tune, and yeah, that'll be a video for a little bit later. But yeah, so far I'm just gonna rip around a little bit, show off the exhaust, and enjoy. And basically, it just sounds so much cleaner. Like it was very gurgly and bubbly without the slip-on. That's what I noticed. But the slip-on is very subtle. It's not ridiculous. Like, it sounds good. It sounds clean. Like, it sounds really nice. Not a little like downshift bubble pops or anything, but very clean tone. And yeah, man. Definitely worth the money. It just sounds so clean now. But yeah, I gotta say, man, every time I get on my bike, I just love it more and more. It just whips around so good. And for people asking me about the quick shifter and the auto blipper, oh man, I'm sitting at almost 500 miles on it now, and they're really starting to feel nice and smooth. So if you have any concerns when you get on a fresh one and a brand new one and it feels real tight, or like it's just really hard to hit it up or down, it's just because it's new. That's it. I'm almost done with break-in, and they feel, I mean, they're smooth as butter. Mine feels great. So yeah, I mean, it just, no issues, man. All right, let's do a little baby pull here. Try not to power wheelie. God, this thing is fucking sick, man. I don't think I'm ever gonna get tired of this bike. I felt like I got tired of the 450 after like a few months, and I'm almost 1 month in on this bike, and it's phenomenal, man, phenomenal. But yeah, I'm gonna have to keep this one pretty short. It's Saturday, the day before Easter, and yeah, I got a bunch of shit I gotta do today, so I just wanted to get out here. I was super excited about the M4. I got it started last night, but it was getting a little too late to actually, like, you know, show you guys anything or post anything cool. So but yeah, anyways, guys, I really appreciate everybody who subbed, and it's really cool that you guys want to see more of my shit, and I'm gonna do what I can to keep posting stuff for you guys, and if anybody's interested in anything else, just go ahead and let me know. But yeah, that's it for this one, guys, and see you in the next one.